The chair now recognizes Judge Alan King of Jefferson County, Alabama, for 5 minutes.
Mr. Vice President and Secretary Kobach, it's a pleasure to serve on this committee. I appreciate the invitation. I'm Alan King. I'm the presiding probate judge in Jefferson County, Alabama. It's the largest county in the state of Alabama. We have roughly 660,000 residents, and in 2016, we had almost 460,000 registered voters. We have two probate judges in Jefferson County, and I was elected in 2000 as the place two probate judge, and then in 2006 and 12 as the presiding probate judge. I have a law degree, and I'm a former president of the Alabama Probate Judges Association. In Alabama, probate judges are the chief election official for his or her county. I've been involved in 10 major elections as the place two probate judge, and I've been the chief election official for 39 major elections as the presiding probate judge. On August 15 of this year, we will have a special election to fill the U.S. Senate seat vacated by now Attorney General Jeff Sessions. I have a certification through the Election Center, which is the premier, or one of the premier election training organizations in the United States. And so I'm involved in elections, have been involved in elections for 16 and a half years. I bring a wealth of experience from a county level. So to speak, I've had boots on the ground in every aspect of elections. I would consider myself to be an election expert on everything that involves elections. In the national organizations that I'm a member of, it's been my great pleasure to meet other election officials on the national level. I've talked extensively with men and women for the last few years. I feel inclined, since I'm the chief election official for Jefferson County, Alabama, to say that in my 16 and a half years in the Jefferson County probate judge position, that I have not seen evidence of voter fraud in Jefferson County. Had one situation, I think it was in 2014, where it was a father and a son had the same name. Became aware of that. I submitted this information to our district attorney, and the district attorney chose not to pursue any charges against either the father or the son. The executive order that created this commission refers to voter confidence and voter processes. And again, since I'm a county official, I feel inclined to say that one of the most massive problems that will be facing this nation in the years to come is technology, and it's the technology of the voting machines. And I've seen it in the legal profession, from discovery and cases that come before me in court. I'm in court virtually all day, every day. And bottom line, technology is moving so fast that society is not able to keep up with the legal profession. My wife is an elementary school librarian, now called a school media specialist. She's not able, educators are not able to keep up with technology. And I would venture to say, Mr. Vice President, Secretary Kobach, that we have a huge challenge in this nation with keeping up with voting machine technology. And in 2002, the U.S. Congress in HAVA, Help America Vote Act, had funding that was filtered down to the states and to each county. And so from a county-wide standpoint, these voting machines are outdated. There's no money there. Counties don't have money. States don't have money. We need money. I was thankfully 4 years ago, I got on top of this issue. I was able to convince my county commissioners to fund the next generation of voting machines in Jefferson County. We did that in the 2016 election to the tune of $3.1 million. But not every county can do that. Not every state can do that. And as we go down this process, it is my hope that we will that will be an issue that we will discuss, because we can discuss a lot of things about voting, but unless we have the technology, unless the technology is keeping up with voting, then we're not using our time very wisely, in my opinion. So I hope that that's an issue that we will get into. I hope that's an issue that we will discuss and discuss freely, and I hope that's a recommendation that this commission makes to Vice President Pence, to you, and to President Trump. Again, thank you so very much for the opportunity to serve on this commission.
Well, thank you, Judge King. Thank you for bringing your extraordinary experience at the county level and those thoughtful opening remarks today. We look forward to working with you very much. Honored to have you here.